using the File Explorer ribbon. In previous versions of Windows, File Explorer was called Windows Explorer. Let me get to the desktop and let me go ahead and close this application. And let me go ahead and get this out of the way. Okay, now this is a desktop environment. I'm on my desktop, okay, and in previous versions of Windows, File Explorer was called Windows Explorer, basically as this yellow manila folder sitting right here into the text bar. Okay, so in Windows 8, now it's called File Explorer. Okay, now the File Explorer in Windows 8 is a ribbon of tools that you can use to work with your files and folders. Okay, if you use previous versions of Windows, it's worth taking a moment to review the contents of the new ribbon. The tabs on the ribbon provide different types of tools, including the following. Okay, so let's go ahead and open. One click is gonna open. It's gonna open our Windows. I'm sorry, our File Explorer. Okay, now let me go ahead and snap this to the left hand side. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and if I click into the File Explorer, so it's just gonna be minimized. If you click one more time, it's gonna restore it back. Now I'm gonna right click and click on Explorer, and then see I'm gonna have another Explorer, File Explorer. Now the second one I'm just gonna snap it to the right hand side, and now I have two File Explorers open at the same time. Okay, every time that you guys open the File Explorer, right on top it's gonna say Libraries. Okay, there you go. So two Windows 7 place. Okay, now we have the Home tab, Share View. Yeah, every time that we click into one of these tabs, see different options are gonna open. Okay, on this one right here on the left hand side, I'm gonna stay only the libraries. On the right hand side, I'm gonna open documents. Okay, now like I said before, on the home tab, in this case, let me go ahead and I'm gonna open music. Okay, so as you guys can see, every time that you guys open one of these explorers, okay, depending on what library you guys are, the tools are going to change a little bit. In this case, I open the music, so it's giving me library tools and music tools. Okay, and then see again we have the file. From file we go open a new window. See, we have the same window open in another window. I'm gonna close that. File. Every time that you guys open these options, okay, and that option is kind of dim, okay, it's because that option is not available. Okay, help, close, frequent videos, etc. Okay, so that's under file. And here if I click on play all, it's just gonna open the application to play the music. Okay, and again I'm just gonna go ahead and drag that, close it, back to the desktop. Okay, and then we have the home. Okay, we have quite a few different options. Okay, normally on other versions of Windows, for example, we want to make a copy. I mean, we need to right click the folder I'm going to rename. See, or if we want to go to cat or copy or create shortcuts here or open the program with another program. Okay, we normally used to right click and then look for that option. Okay, we could also pin this to start. Okay, add to Windows Media Player. We could also go online and buy for music online and share with. Okay, if I don't want to share this folder with anybody on my home group, I can just go ahead and select stop sharing. Right now that is being shared. Okay, and like I say, the most common, okay, cut, copy, create shortcut, delete, rename, open folder location, properties. Okay, anytime before in the old days, whenever we need more information about the particular folder, see we need to right click, go into properties, and then we can see some extra information about that particular folder. Okay, but now all those options are available up here into the ribbon. Now when I deselect that folder, it doesn't have that little check mark, so a lot of the options are gonna be dim. When I click into the folder, see we have all those options: copy, cut, copy paste, move to. See, I can move it to any other folder. Okay, I can also make a copy into any other location. Delete, rename, okay, etc., etc. If I want to check the properties, see, instead of right click, now there is that option. Okay, and see under the home tab is also giving me this option: select all. If I click select all, the two files are gonna be open. Okay, in the old days we needed to click on one, hold down control, and then click on the second one, which is still available. Or using the shortcut Control A and select everything within that folder. Okay, but in this case we have that option right here into the ribbon. Select all, invert selection, etc. Okay, so that's the home. We have the share. Okay, share is also giving us quite a few extra options. Okay, if I wanna burn, see, just I'm gonna open this folder. Okay, so we have quite a few, 47 items. But when I burn this into this, all I need to do is just click into the link, and my DVD burner trace is gonna open up, asking me for a upgradable CD. Okay. Um, if I have one of these files selected, see, I can also email this music file. Okay. Let me go ahead and select one of these. Okay, and I'm gonna click on email. Microsoft Outlook profile has been created. Okay. Okay, so I haven't set up the Microsoft Outlook into this computer, but that's okay. See, another feature that we have is the zip folder. Okay, in the old days we also needed to right click and then go down to new and create a new folder. Okay, now all those options are available here. If I wanna start sharing this file, see, I can just go ahead and start sharing this file. Okay, the view tabs is gonna give me different options. Let me go ahead and maximize this window right here. Now from here I'm just gonna go back to documents. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and expand this window. Okay, so we have the view. Under view, see, we have the navigation pane, which is the navigation pane. Remember, is this window right here on the left hand side. Okay, normally I don't suggest you guys to close that one. Okay, we have the preview pane. Preview pane is just gonna be right here on the right hand side. That means that when I click into a file, okay, it's gonna give me, see, it's gonna display some of the information that it is on this Microsoft Word document. Okay, if I click on the details pane, see, it's just gonna display the information on a different way. Okay, it's gonna go ahead one more click and it's gonna close it. The preview pane, so it shows me the content of that file. One more click on preview pane and it's closed. If I wanna display these icons in a different size, extra large icons, okay, large icons, medium icons, small, less, details, titles, and content. Okay, so each of these different views is gonna give me different options. Okay, I normally select details because I like to also see the date that it was modified and the type of file, as well the size. Okay, so like I said, we have the home. Okay, depending on what type of document, see, that the open option is going to change the icon. Okay, from here we could also create a new item. You can start with a new folder shortcut, create a new Microsoft Access database, an image, contact, Word, document, journal, etc., etc. Okay, so that's the Home tab, Share, View, Manage. Okay, and basically all these options are into the ribbon. If you guys see, you guys are gonna see this little chevron arrow. Okay, if you guys click on that, you guys are gonna hide the ribbon. Okay, and all we're gonna have is just the tabs. When you guys click on the tab, it's gonna display the ribbon. Once we click away, okay, well, the ribbon is still available. Like I say, we could hide it or expand it. Okay, and like I said, from there, we have different options. Depending on what we are working, see, and it changes, we have two new tabs. Library Pictures, Picture Tools. Okay, from here I could just rotate a picture, I could start a slideshow, or I could also send this picture as my background, etc., etc. Okay, so we still have the Home, Share, View, Manage. Okay, but I have an extra one, which is the Picture Tools Manage. And from here I could just run a presentation. Okay, if I go to video, see, now I have the video tools. If I want to play them all, etc. But the other options are still available: Home, Share, View, Manage, etc. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and snap this to the left hand side. Okay, now I have two libraries open. Okay, so there's a new, okay, the new File Explorer in Windows 8 and tabs and the ribbon. Okay, for you guys that have Microsoft Office, okay, will be very familiar to these tabs and the ribbon. Okay, and we still have, see, the old tools. See, from here we could just go ahead and search through any other place. To go back to one place, keep clicking that arrow, go to a different folder, etc. Okay, we can also go back or through the navigation pane. We can go to different folders or libraries on the computer. Okay, so that is using the File Explorer ribbon in Windows 8. Thank you guys.